This video describes a really great experiment on flotation. Now, on the table in front of me, I've got a bottle of fizzy lemonade and some raisins. And I'm now going to very carefully remove the cap of the fizzy lemonade. And let's watch what happens. It's a brand new bottle and we can only do this experiment once. Now it's not too vigorous because I've left it standing deliberately. Right, that's good. I'm now going to drop a few raisins into the liquid. Put a few more in. Well, now it's beginning to work. You see, some of the raisins are sinking down to the bottom, and as they do so, bubbles of carbon dioxide that are released from the lemonade get caught in the wrinkles of the raisins. This gives the raisins more buoyancy, and so they rise to the surface of the lemonade. On reaching the surface, though, the bubbles burst, the raisins become less buoyant, and they sink again, gaining further carbon dioxide bubbles and moving upwards again, reaching the surface where the bubbles burst, and so on and so on. It's really working very well now. Put some more in, they drop to the bottom. Well, what happens if we use a blueberry? Here we go, here's a blueberry. No, the blueberry floats. It doesn't sink at all. Try another one. No, blueberries don't work. All right, what about some lentils? Here's some lentils going in. Well, the lentils are sinking down. Now, are they going to start coming up or not? They are. I think they are. Yes, there's a lentil rushing up to the surface. They're not quite as good as the raisins, but lentils seem to work just as well as the raisins do. So, we know that blueberries won't work, and the lentils do work, and the raisins are superb. Well, let's put the top on to stop me spilling everything if I knock it over. Now, the operation of the raisins is exactly the same principle that's used in air-filled armbands that you may have used when you learned to swim, and also the large flotation bags used to raise sunken ships. And let's just summarize again. The raisins drop in, they sink. On the way down, the carbon dioxide bubbles released from the lemonade get caught in the wrinkles. This gives the raisin extra buoyancy. They rise to the top. When they get to the top, the bubbles burst. They become less buoyant, that's the raisins, and they sink again, and so on, and the process carries on for probably the rest of the evening.